So Tish,
They need to pretend like we're not here.
well, we are here because we're directing. I'm going to be directing in the back. You're going to be backstage. We're going to be on our cell phones.
But what's her name going to be?
She's going to be backstage getting them dressed and ready to come out the door. Perfect, guys. Perfect.
Pretend like we're not here. Just do it. Smile, Justin. Thank you. Now he looks good.
Whoa.
Bam. Keep it going. I hope you guys are smiling because you get filmed.
Shh. Can somebody pull the tape? Shh. I think their retention span is not very long. Okay. Okay, turn. Go ahead and go, guys. Now you pick her up. Perfect. Go ahead, now Mika, go.